component speakers versus coaxial speakers. Let's talk about car speakers. You got two main types, component speakers and coaxial speakers. Component speakers separate different sound elements while coaxial combines them. Choosing the right set can greatly influence your car audio experience. Many struggle with this decision. Component speakers are for audiophiles. They consist of separate speakers, woofers, tweeters, but their arrangement allows for more precise sound. This setup promises better audio quality than coaxial counterparts, offering enhanced frequency response and clarity, perfect for those seeking superior sound. Coaxial speakers, on the other hand, integrate all speaker elements into one unit. They're more common and user-friendly. Installation is straightforward, making them ideal for those new-to-car audio upgrades. If simplicity is key, coaxial is a great start. The sound quality with component speakers is typically higher. They allow you to position each part optimally in the vehicle. This arrangement means refined sound imaging and more accurate reproduction of music. Audiophiles love the control they provide over sound dynamics. Coaxial speakers are more compact. They fit directly into existing speaker slots without hassle. This convenience appeals to those unwilling to modify their car. And you still get reasonable sound quality, but it might lose some detail that component speakers deliver. Installation cost could be a concern. Component speakers often require professional installation, which adds to the expense. Their separate parts need precise placement and wiring, causing added effort. Be sure to budget accordingly if you choose this setup. Coaxial speakers are budget-friendly. They typically cost less to buy and install, presenting a great option for those on a budget. No need for external crossovers or additional sound components. Just swap them with factory speakers and you're good to go. Price isn't everything. Consider sound preference. If you appreciate deep lows and crisp highs, component speakers are unmatched. Also, technical specifications like frequency response range and power handling should guide your decision. Coaxial speakers are satisfactory for casual listening. Longevity can be a deciding factor. Component speakers often utilize higher quality materials, potentially lasting longer than coaxials. Their build quality can impact the overall output and withstand rigorous car environments better. Consider long-term investment in your audio system. Coaxial speakers are robust in their own right and are suitable for most vehicle uses. They provide adequate sound performance for daily commutes, family trips, or casual road trips. No need to fuss about their durability. For everyday driving, let's consider flexibility. Component systems allow room for upgrading individual parts as technology changes. You can mix and match, improving certain aspects over time. This flexibility appeals to those passionate about evolving audio technology. Some find component speakers overwhelming. Without audio expertise, setting them to their full potential can be challenging. Tweaking equalizers and placements requires patience. If complexity isn't your thing, the straightforwardness of coaxial speakers might be more appealing. Ease of use matters. And so I feel like it's going to be ability, their plug and play component systems, while customizable, demand a commitment to learning about audio dynamics. Assembling them can take hours. Always weigh the convenience factor. When it comes to sound direction and staging, component speakers shine. You can direct sound towards listeners more effectively. This setup improves the soundstage and creates an immersive experience. Coaxial speakers can't fully replicate this effect. Lastly, let's talk aesthetics. Component speaker systems often have a sleek, customized look due to separate components. However, coaxial speakers offer clean and unobtrusive designs. Your car retains its factory appearance while providing better audio quality. In choosing between component and coaxial speakers, weigh your priorities. Sound quality, budget, installation, complexity, and your willingness for customization are key. Knowing these differences aids informed decisions. Ensuring your car audio setup suits your lifestyle